So,
Let me hold the camera.
okay, hold the camera. There you go. Come right up against it so you can see good, okay? You can see pretty good? I'm in all the way right now, okay? I feel weird now. Hold on. Okay, we're in all the way. See how that's bouncing?
Mm-hmm.
This is what people make a mistake. They pick that. Pick. It's gonna be like, see, that's overpicked already. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So you got to just ease off a little bit. Keep it on there so that it'll pop up, and then that's good right there. So you just enough to where it like resets itself. That's over again. That's good now. Let's check it one more time. There's probably one or two left. See, this one keeps coming out, which is fine. Just pick it again as you come to it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Well, let's read the code.
3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3.
Write it down.
How long are you trying?
3, 4, 4,
3,
3, 1,
2,
2,
1, 3.
1, 3.
How long are you trying for before I got her?